and today we are going to talk about what we call the technical analysis. Actually, you'll see some kind of junkies on our charts, and probably this is what we do and predict the movement of the market. So now you can see here, let me zoom in. Here we have what we call the morning star. This morning star identify a true movement of buying in the market. And you can see when the market goes off like this, we have what we call the support level. It hit the support level and come back and hit the resistance level. So now let's insert some object, and then let's take this trend line from here, as you can see, to here. It hits the support level and also come back and hit the resistance level. And when it hit the resistance level, it gives us another what we call a doji. It gives us a doji, and whenever we see a doji, we have a continuation of that movement or a rejection. It's either up or down whenever we see a doji. So now when we look at here, we have what we call a rising wedge, and in our trading, whenever we have a rising wedge, we have a selling. Immediately after that rising wedge, we will anticipate selling in the market. When the market breaks the rising wedge, the support line, then we will have a selling. So when we look at this here, we will see that we have a doji here and also a continuation of our selling, which start from off here, and then we can witness the market. It goes down all over from here. Let me use the trend line, all over from here to this level. So you see, we have a long movement, and also it all support the levels, the support and resistance level. So here we have a little bit tricky, which we have there. This one we call it the support and resistance, not the rising wedge or the falling wedge. So whenever you have this support and resistance level, you wait and you draw what we call the support level and the resistance level. Whenever it breaks the support level or it breaks the resistance level, then you anticipate the other way of the possibilities. So now this is a step index. When we zoom out here, this is an indicator which is called the MIT indicator. Here we have a doji here so far. If you look at it, let me just give us a little bit hands off on this the trend line. Let's draw it here. So here we have a doji, and all as you can see here, all the candles with the tail never touch back our horizontal line. So that's mean that we are going off for a buy, which if you look at here, we have a doji which is direct us into the sell, and here we have an evening star which also is a confirmation. So after this candle close here, then we have a what we call the doji or the rejection of downtrend. Then we are going on. So this is all about today, and thank you very much. I hope you enjoy our tutorial. We'll see you later and the next time. Thank you.